Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kärcher CVH Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, a compact, lightweight powerhouse designed to tackle those quick cleaning tasks. Weighing in at just 1.4 pounds, this little device promises to make your cleaning routine more efficient and convenient. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Kärcher CVH is a cordless handheld vacuum built for quick and easy cleanups. Its compact size makes it perfect for cleaning small messes around the home, car, or office. And its weight, or lack thereof, ensures that you won't feel fatigued while using it. With a double filtration system that includes a HEPA 12 filter, it promises to remove 99.5% of fine dust particles, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers. The steel net filter helps capture larger debris like crumbs, while the HEPA filter handles the finer dust that's often invisible to the naked eye. This means you're getting a cleaner, more hygienic environment, which is crucial for people with allergies or asthma. When it comes to performance, the CVH is equipped with a battery that provides 10 minutes of continuous runtime. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge, so you don't get caught off guard in the middle of cleaning. While 10 minutes may not seem like much, it's important to remember that this vacuum is designed for smaller jobs. Think quick pickups or cleaning in tight spaces. Included with the vacuum is a 2-in-1 crevice nozzle, which can be adjusted to reach narrow areas or gently clean delicate surfaces. It's an excellent feature for tackling everything from car interiors to furniture, ensuring that no corner is left untouched. The nozzle's bristles provide an extra layer of protection for delicate surfaces, allowing you to clean without worrying about scratching. So how does this vacuum perform in real-world conditions? Well, with its small size and lightweight design, it's easy to handle and maneuver, making it perfect for cleaning up small messes around the house or office. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust on your countertops, or crumbs on the couch, the CVH can handle it. It works well on various surfaces, including upholstery, car interiors, and even some hard floors, though it's not the ideal choice for large areas or deep cleaning. However, there are a few trade-offs. The 10-minute runtime, while sufficient for quick cleanups, can be limiting if you're trying to tackle larger jobs. Its small dust bin also means you'll need to empty it more frequently, which could be inconvenient for some users. Plus, while the HEPA filter offers excellent dust removal, the filtration system is still reliant on the steel net, which might not capture every tiny particle. As for noise, the CVH operates relatively quietly compared to other vacuums, which is a nice touch if you're cleaning in a shared space or just prefer a more peaceful cleaning session. But while its quiet operation is a bonus, the performance still varies depending on the surface. It shines when used on smooth, flat surfaces, but might struggle a bit more with deep-set debris on carpet or rugs. When it comes to build quality, the CVH feels solid for its size. The plastic body is durable and can withstand occasional bumps or drops, but don't expect the same level of toughness you'd find in heavier-duty vacuums. Maintenance is straightforward, with a washable dust container and easy-to-clean filters. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that will stand up to frequent use over time, you might want to consider a model with a larger capacity or longer runtime. Now, is this little vacuum worth its price? The Kärcher CVH comes in at a price point that's accessible for many people looking for a handy, portable vacuum for small tasks. It's not meant to replace a full-sized vacuum, but for quick cleanups and light tasks, it does its job well. Its compact design, strong filtration system, and ease of use make it a great choice for anyone who needs something lightweight and convenient. In terms of comparisons, there are a few alternatives in the market that might catch your eye. The Black Decker Dustbuster, for example, is another popular handheld vacuum in this price range. While the Dustbuster offers a slightly longer runtime, it lacks the advanced filtration system that the CVH brings to the table. If you're someone with allergies or asthma, the HEPA filter on the Kärcher may be a deciding factor. Another option is the Dyson Humdinger, which offers excellent suction power and a longer battery life, but it comes at a higher price point. If you're looking for a premium handheld vacuum, the Dyson might be worth the investment, But if you're after something more budget-friendly for quick messes, the Kärcher CVH2 is definitely a contender. Looking at the overall build, the CVH2 feels lightweight and easy to use. The plastic components are sturdy enough for casual use, and the design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The maintenance is simple, with easy-to-clean filters and a dust container that can be washed to keep everything hygienic. When it comes to longevity, the CVH2 should hold up reasonably well with normal use, though it's always important to remember that frequent use will require more regular maintenance, especially with the filters. The 10-minute battery life might wear down faster over time, especially if you regularly use the vacuum at its highest power setting. However, for its size and purpose, you can expect this vacuum to serve you for the long haul, especially with Kärcher's reputation for quality. If you have any questions, or if you've already used the Kärcher CVH2, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. You can find the link to purchase the vacuum in the comments as well. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next review. Until next time, stay clean.